Welcome guys, today I will show you how to set up app lock on Motorola Edge 70. So let's open the wall apps list and choose app to lock. Hold on this icon the finger and choose the lock icon below. Now we are in the app. So let's tap continue, go next, and now you should log in into Google account which you have on this device. Simply choose it, tap OK, wait for a while. Now you will need to choose the lock screen method, pattern, pin or password. I will choose pattern. And in the end, just confirm wall process by add app key. Alright, app added. So now you can find all secured apps in secure folder app. If this video was helpful, subscribe, like this video, leave some comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.